Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Yvette D Best, the People's Tax Accountant from Best Services Unlimited, coming to you on this beautiful Saturday out here on my deck, resting and relaxing. I think FB is having some problems today. I did a Facebook Live, it was awesome, and then I went to post it and it disappeared. So I figured, hey, what can I do to correct this? So I am now recording this video and I'm going to upload it onto Facebook myself so people won't miss out on the information. So everybody knows that the financial health mentor, Cortez Springer, is my coach. And last night he did a live on how to write off your fight party, or is your fight party sponsored by your business? So that is the inspiration behind this video today. I want to tell everyone how to take any event and turn it into a networking event. Now, I like people to take the words party, barbecue out of their vocabulary when you're doing business. You want to have networking events. Why you want networking events? Because business people love them. They always love to go to a networking event. Why? Because it gives them a chance to showcase their products, their services, their business to people who they do not know. It gives them a new audience and also creates the climate for them to acquire new clients. So I will say these are the key things that you need to have in place before you want to have an event that you want to be considering to be a networking event. So I always say I want you to pre-plan. Pre-planning is key. The IRS likes it, and so does Yvette. So, of course, I always want you to be on the good side of the IRS. So it is very important that you pre-plan your event. So you might want to use Eventbrite and keep it private so it's not all over the internet, or use Evite or Hobnob, that is an app, or a Facebook event, and keep it private. And make sure that you are acquiring email addresses of the people who come to the event. Now, this is very important, and I'm going to tell you why later, but let me continue. So now you want to take, that's step number one. You want to take and use some type of mechanism, third party, that you are going to invite people out. Second, you want to make sure that you're acquiring the email addresses, whether it's beforehand or having a sign-up sheet the day of the event. And then three, you're going to go out and start purchasing products. Now you're going to purchase out all food, drink, if you're going to have some type of decorations, if you're going to have a PowerPoint presentation, whatever you're going to be doing. And you want to keep receipts. Always keep receipts. I always tell you, always keep receipts. I'm going to say it again. Always keep receipts of anything that you're purchasing in conjunction with this event. And make sure if you happen to be going grocery shopping for your house, that you take the stuff for your event and ring them up separately and have a separate receipt. That's just my only little tidbit. Now, another thing is you may be serving alcoholic beverages at your event. Now, me personally, I do not write off alcoholic beverages. Reason being that sometimes there may be alcoholic beverages that are left over at the event that are consumed by other people that are not at the event. So just my give back is I will write off food, I will write off any presentation materials or brochures or anything of that nature that's associated with this networking event, but I do not write off alcohol because I just want to have my own give back. And if there is any liquor, wine, beer served at this event, I will not be writing it off. That's just, I'm not saying you can legally write them off. Please don't think that you cannot. It's just that it's my own tidbit. I like to have a give back, and that's my give back. So now we're going to move right along to the day of the event. So if you did not acquire the email addresses of the people who came to the event beforehand, you're going to have a sign-up sheet. And you're going to make sure that you get all of the business cards of the people that also come. So I also have a sign-up sheet as well as like a little bowl that I tell everybody put their card in, because usually I have a giveaway and I tell everybody put their business cards in. But I also ask for the business cards because if in an event that they did not sign up on the sign-up sheet, 9 out of 10 their email address is on their business card, so you also get their email address. So now is the day of the event, and most times IRS rules state, now I say most times, IRS rules state that either before, during, or after the event, you must do something about your business. But I always try to do it in the middle. Now, first, I will have people come in. I will allow them to network with one another, share and exchange business cards, talk about different products and services, and then I give my business presentation. Now, it may be something about my personal finances system. It may be something simple like a talk that I'm doing right now, like how to make every event that you give a networking event, hashtag the tax deductible lifestyle. So once I do that and I have everything in place, you have a totally tax deductible networking event. Now, what will you do after the event? You're going to thank everybody for coming in person and say, hey, thank you. I'm glad that you reached out, and be on the lookout for my next event. The key thing is what else you're going to do. You're going to take all those email addresses that you have acquired and you're going to send an email to them thanking them to come out. And if you have pre-planned, because remember, we always like to pre-plan what your next event is going to be, you're going to now put that information in the email. So now they're already on the lookout for your next networking opportunity. Now, that may have seemed like a lot. You may have thought that, but to tell you the truth, is really easy peasy. So you're going to take and pre-plan your event. You're going to make sure you acquire your customers, your new customers' emails. You're going to take in 3, make sure you purchase all your items, keep all your receipts. 4, you're going to make sure that you give your business presentation. I always like during the event. And then 5, you're going to make sure that you thank them by email, letting them know, thank you for coming out. And also taking the time to put in when your next networking opportunity is going to be, so you can get more people to come out to the event. And then I will also say, if you have products, actual tangible items, have them around. Take pictures with them. Take lots of pictures. And you may even want to make a hashtag for your event, because every time I give a networking event, it is hashtag the tax deductible lifestyle, because I feel that anything that you're doing and you're a business owner should be connected to your business, so it is tax deductible. Because at the end of the day, death and taxes are certain, but knowing how to pay your fair share is third. And that's a quote straight from yours truly, Yvette D. Best. So feel free to inbox me, because you always do. You can reach out to me, DM me, follow me on Instagram. I am Yvette D. Best. Also my firm, which is at BSU LLC. You can also check out my website, which is bestservicesunlimited.com, which talks all about taxes and business consulting. And then you want to know about everything that I'm doing as far as Best Services Unlimited and Armstrong Financial Services, make sure to reach out to my personal website, which is IamYvetteDBest.com. Continue to inbox me, and more importantly, go out, business owners as well as individuals, buy the book, Maximizing Your Tax Refund, 35 Surefire Ways to Do Better on Your Return. It's not only for individuals, it is for businesses. There's a whole chapter 7 and 8, that's dedicated to business owners, specifically ones that's doing home-based businesses, because I want to make sure that you're actually getting all the credit for the use of your home legally and keeping you on the good side of the IRS. Because at the end of the day, as business owners, we must keep receipts and stay on the good side of the IRS, so we can always continue to have the hashtag tax deductible lifestyle. So I want to tell everybody to go out, have a wonderful weekend. If you're going out to the fight party and you didn't pre-plan to make sure that that was a networking event, Labor Day is right around the corner. You can take these tips and then have your Labor Day networking event. So please enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a great time. Be safe and keep rising, grinding, stay humble, hustle hard. And this is Yvette D. Best, the People's Tax Accountant from Best Services Unlimited. And I say thank you for tuning in. Share, like, love, and just be your best you. I believe in you.